Jordan is a sustainable garment manufacturing hub with good international trade relations. Around 20 frontline international brands put their trust in the Made in Jordan label. The annual growth in textile exports of Jordan is around 20% for the past 5 years. The garment and textile sector contributes 24% of all industrial exports of Jordan. The figures for 2017 were to the tune of $1.82 billion up from $1.17 billion in 2016. In 2003, Classic Fashion started functioning in Hassan Industrial Estate, the first qualifying industrial zone near Irbid city in Jordan, with just one factory, 300 people and a turnover of $2 million in the first year. Presently, after 1.5 decades of consistent growth, Classic Fashion is the largest garment producer in the MENA region with an annual turnover of more than $500 million. It contributes 28% of Jordan's total garment exports. Across 11 factory facilities and 7 satellite units, 24,000 people and 12,000 machines produce 225 to 275,000 garments per day, exceeding 72 million garments in 2018. Premium garments from Classic Fashion reach leading international suppliers and fashion brands like Under Armour, Wal-Mart, Hanes, Gear for Sports, American Eagle, One Jeanswear, JCPenney, Adidas, Academy Sports, G3 Apparel, etc. A globally recognized golden listed company, Classic Fashion stands out with good labor relations, exemplary health and safety system, great CSR initiatives, efficient environmental management, highest quality assurance and participation in ILO IFC Better Work Program, women empowerment programs, etc. Classic Fashion is a truly global company with R&D and product design and development center in the USA and overseas units in Vietnam. The employees come from Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, India, Nepal, Egypt, Turkey, USA and Jordan. Raw materials come from China, Taiwan, Hong Kong and USA. Technology and machinery come from the world over, and the products are exported to USA and distributed globally. Factors that contributed to the phenomenal growth of Classic Fashion are sourcing top quality fabric, trims and accessories, and using R&D for streamlining the processes. Developing products as per client specifications, delivering them on time, insisting on flawless quality and handling huge volumes with fast turnaround are all managed with smooth efficacy. Classic Fashion fulfills its corporate social responsibility by supporting educational initiatives, propagating programs on healthy living and running satellite units for rural women and youth. To solve the unemployment problem among women and youth in Jordan, and to rehabilitate the refugees, Classic Fashion conducts awareness programs, skill development programs, and vocational training. Classic Fashion contributes more than its share in helping Jordan to achieve the targets of Jordan Economic Growth Plan 2018-2022, Jordan Vision 2025, and the Sustainable Development Goals 2030. Classic Fashion leads the battle to make Jordan the global model and leader in sustainable garment manufacturing.